So, dear students, till now we have learned in this lesson the cop and the anthem. We found that Soapy wanted to go to a prison where he could spend his winters very comfortably. Have you got it? That was his only motto, that he should reach to a prison so that he could spend his winters comfortably. He could have enough to eat. But his first plan failed. First plan क्या था? He entered a restaurant and he thought that he would not pay the bill and then a police will be called and he would be sent to the jail. But this plan failed as the guard did not allow him to enter the restaurant. So come to page number 23. Soapy turned off Broadway. It seemed that this most easy way to the island was not to be his. He must think of some other way of getting there. क्या प्लान किया था उसने और उसको सक्सेसफुली नहीं हो पाया. सो ही टर्न्ड ऑफ ब्रॉडवे. उसको लगा कि आइलैंड पर मतलब जेल पर पहुंचना उसके लिए बिल्कुल आसान काम नहीं है. ही हैड टू थिंक सम अदर वे to reach there. At a corner of 6th Avenue was a shop with a white glass window, and through it, glass window, bright with electric lights. Soapy picked up a big stone and threw it through the glass. People came running around the corner. A cop was first among them. Soapy stood still and he smiled when he saw the cop. Now, when he turned away from the Broadway, he reached at the corner of 6th Avenue. That is also the name of a lane or a road, 6th Avenue. Okay. When he reached at the corner of 6th Avenue, he reached at the shop with the wide window glass. Fine, glass का window बना हुआ था. Wide glass window. Now he thought some idea and threw a stone at the glass window. Actually it was brightening. It was lightning with bright lights, and Soapy picked up a stone, big stone, and threw at the window. The glass broke. Other people and one policeman reached there. Even the policeman was the first man to reach there. सबसे पहले एक policeman वहाँ पहुँचा. Soapy was standing still. Soapy चुपचाप खड़ा रहा. And he smiled when he saw the cop. जब उसने देखा पुलिस वाला आ रहा है तो वो स्माइल करने लगा. So he was thinking that the police would arrest him quickly. Where is the man that did that? तो आपने पूछा कौन आदमी कहाँ है वो जिसने ये किया. Don't you think that I might have done it? Said Soapy. He was friendly and happy. What he wanted was coming towards him. उसने पूछा कि why don't you think that I might have done it? मैंने खुद किया है ये, isn't it? उसने बोला ये तो मैंने किया. He thought that what he wanted was coming near to him. वो सोच उसका जो प्लानिंग थी कि ब्लैकवेल आइलैंड पर पहुंचना वो अब उसकी तरफ गोल खुद ही बढ़कर आया. Policeman himself was coming towards him, but the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. लेकिन कॉप ने तो सोचा ये ऐसा खुद ही बोल रहा है तो उसने सोचा ही नहीं. The cop's mind would not consider Soapy. Men who break windows do not stop there to talk to cops. They run away as fast as they can. The cops saw a man further along the street running. He ran after him, and Soapy, sick at heart, walked slowly away. He had failed 2 times. It happened just opposite what he had thought of. दूसरी प्लानिंग भी फेल हो गई. उसने ग्लास विंडो पर एक पत्थर फेंका, विंडो टूट गई. एंड ही स्टूड स्टिल स्माइलिंग. उसको लगा कि पुलिसमैन खुद ही तो आ रहा है. एंड व्हेन पुलिसमैन आस्क्ड हिम दैट वेयर इज द मैन हु ब्रोक द विंडो, he said that I am the person, I myself broke it. But the policeman thought that it cannot happen. What did he think? That why should a person who broke the window and he would be standing here? तो उसको लगा कि जो इंसान पत्थर खुद मार के विंडो तोड़ेगा वो खुद यहाँ क्यों खड़ा रहेगा. He saw someone else running and he ran after him. वो उसके पीछे दौड़ पड़ा. उसने जब देखा कि एक आदमी दौड़ कर जा रहा है, so he started running after another man. And Sophie felt sick at heart. Feeling sick at heart का मतलब ये एक फ्रेज है. Feeling sick at heart. It means being very disappointed. बड़ा disappoint हो गया वो. It means being disappointed. Students, a number of times we have to guess the meaning of some phrase by ourselves, because in unseen passages that you are going to have in your examination, you have to adopt the same passage. When you are reading some lines, you have to understand the meaning of the word which you are not knowing through the context which is given in the passage. And now Sophie is feeling hopeless. He failed two times. Across the street was another restaurant. It was not so fine as the one on Broadway. The people who went there were not so rich. Its food was not so good. Into this, Sophie took his old shoes and his torn clothes, and no one stopped him. He sat down at a table and was soon eating a big dinner. When he had finished, he said that he had no money. अब क्या हुआ? इस स्ट्रीट के अक्रॉस एक दूसरा रेस्टोरेंट था. There was another restaurant across the street. It was not as fine as he had seen on Broadway Street. It was an ordinary restaurant for ordinary people. So Sophie, with his old and shabby clothes, old shoes, torn shoes and torn clothes, he entered the restaurant and no one stopped him there. He ate to his fill. मतलब उसने भर पेट खाना खाया, बढ़िया सा डिनर लिया. And then he said that he had no money to pay. Get busy and call a cop and don't keep a gentleman waiting. उसने वहाँ ऑर्डर किया कि जल्दी काम करो अपना, मेरे जैसे जेंटलमैन को मेरा टाइम मत ख़राब करो, वेट मत करवाओ, जल्दी से पुलिसमैन बुलवाओ और मुझे अरेस्ट करवाओ. What did he say? Get busy and call a cop. जल्दी जाओ, एक पुलिसमैन को बुलवाओ और मुझे अरेस्ट करवाओ. Okay? So, no cop for you, said the waiter. He called another waiter. उसने बोला नहीं, तुम्हारे लिए कोई पुलिसमैन नहीं आएगी. उसने कहा कि एक दूसरे वेटर को बुलवाया. The two waiters threw Sophie upon his left ear on the hard street outside. दोनों वेटर ने उसको उठा के बाहर स्ट्रीट में ही फेंक दिया. रेस्टोरेंट से उठाकर स्ट्रीट पर फेंक दिया. He stood up slowly, one part at a time, and beat the dust from his clothes. Prison seemed only a happy dream. The island seemed very far away. उसको क्या लगने लग गया कि वो धीरे से खड़ा हुआ, धीरे धीरे करके अपने बॉडी को ऊपर किया और अपने कपड़ों से डस्ट झाड़ी. He removed or he beat the dust from his clothes. Now he thought that prison was a dream for him. उसको लगने लग गया कि अब तो prison एक सपना ही रह गया. The island seemed very far away. The cop who was standing near laughed and walked away. Soapy started moving again. When he stopped, he was near several theatres. In this part of the city, streets are brighter and hearts are more joyful than in other parts. Women and men in rich warm coats moved happily in the winter air. A sudden fear caught Soapy. No cop was going to arrest him. A cop was standing and laughing at him. जब उन वेटर्स ने उसको बाहर फेंक दिया, एक पुलिसमैन वहाँ खड़ा था. And he was laughing at him and he walked away. सोपी ने भी चलना शुरू किया वहाँ से, और जैसे वो रुका, अब वहाँ पर काफ़ी कुछ थिएटर्स थे. थिएटर का मतलब जहाँ ड्रामा प्ले किए जाते हैं, थिएटर्स थे. दिस पार्ट ऑफ द सिटी वॉज क्वाइट ब्राइटर एंड पीपल विद रिच क्लोथ्स, they were in rich clothes, they were happy and rich people came there. Joyful people reached there. Men and women in rich warm clothes were moving happily all around at that part of the city. Okay.